Hello, good afternoon. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng ulam ng hapunan natin. Mayroon tayong drumstick dito. So, imamarinate lang natin. Simple lang itong ingredients natin sa drumstick natin kasi air fry lang natin. So, kung wala kayong air fryer, pwede rin nyo to i-prito. So, deep fry. So, of course, mayroon tayong lemon. Simpleng recipe lang. 2 lemon, black pepper, not too much. Of course, mayroon tayong garlic powder. Garlic powder is very important. Just a little bit of salt. And of course, silver swan kasi Pinoy tayo. Ika nga, sabi ng mga bata, tatak pato. So, konti lang. So, just a little bit of amount of silver swan. So, don't worry if not like us is not salty or that is not really good. For like what's this is not enough in your mouth, the salt or the taste of whatever, because this is ipiprito natin or air fryer. May sausawan pa tayo mamaya. Nagkabulol-bulol na, no? Kasi English eh. Ganito kasi yon eh. Pag hindi kayo satisfied na kung hindi maalat o ano, walang problema yan. Kasi mas maganda pa yung medyo matabang kaysa maalat. Kasi pag maalat, wala nang repair. So pag matabang, pwede mong gawin sa sausawan na lang. Bawi ka na lang sa sausawan. Of course, meron tayong magic sarap.